Welcome to the channel. 2014 Toyota Corolla. Customers' concern. No heat at all, especially during cold mornings. Let's diagnose and fix the issue. I start by scanning the HVAC system for codes. And right away we have two stored faults. B1441 air mix damper control servomotor, passenger side. B1443 air outlet damper control servomotor circuit. These codes point me toward a blend door or actuator issue. I pull up the description for B1441. This tells me the actuator responsible for controlling the air mix, basically hot versus cold, isn't responding correctly. That matches the no heat complaint. I use a thermal imaging camera at the heater core hoses. Both hoses show good temperature. So the heater core is hot, meaning the issue is inside the HVAC box, not a coolant flow problem. I remove the cabin air filter to inspect airflow. It's really dirty, and there's even a plastic glove stuck in there. That can definitely restrict airflow and affect cabin heating. I remove the HVAC temperature actuator to check blend door operation. Before touching anything, I check temperature at the vents. Then I manually move the temperature blend door and I immediately see a temperature change. This confirms the actuator itself is not moving the door properly. With the debris cleaned out, I install a brand new cabin air filter. I rotate the blend door gear counterclockwise to match the position needed for the new temperature actuator. This ensures proper alignment before installation.
Now everybody come on.
After installing the new actuator, I perform a basic setting calibration using the scan tool. This step is crucial. It teaches the HVAC system the actuator's new position limits. Next, I test new actuator, using the scan tool to verify it responds correctly. The new actuator is now working smoothly. I check the dash vents with the thermal imaging camera, and we now have proper heat coming through the vents. The issue is fixed. Thanks for watching. Please like, comment, and subscribe for more future diagnostic and repair content.